tonight, starting with a lantern guarded by the two masks, the two African faces. Tonight we have one of your favorite meals for dinner. It's been voted as one of the top. So make sure that you send in your comments. This has been voted as number one. What we have here is sauteed watercress with some olive oil, garlic, and lemon, and then topped with scallops, with seared scallops. Over here, my special avocado pate, and it's made with, of course, a smashed avocado, a little garlic, turmeric, cumin, and shredded carrots, then topped with toasted almond slivers. Here, plantains, and they're baked, and I'm using a new recipe for the mojo. Instead of having the garlic raw, I roast the garlic and then mix it with the lemon and olive oil. Then here, Garzon, my favorite, one of my favorite Uruguayan wines is a Tanat. And tonight, we're going to be talking about how to diminish the power of negative thoughts. If you try to get rid of a negative thought or an intruding thought, it gets worse. If you think you don't want to think about it, it continues and you give it more energy, more brain energy actually. Blood flow and neural maps. And if you want to replace it with something good, it's not good either, because incidentally what's happening is you're beginning to associate the bad with the good. The best way to deal with it is to delay it into another time when you can deal with it. So if you have a negative thought at night, you can say, I'm going to put it away until tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock you deal with it. But it's going to happen, and since you delayed it, you didn't give it any power. And sometimes when you try to deal with it, there's nothing there, or it comes at a very low level of energy that's handled. But what you're doing is you're not letting it rob you of your moment. So that's what we'll be discussing tonight. And thank you for voting this as the number one meal. Enjoy, and make sure you write your comments about what you think. Bon appetit.